We choose classic candlesticks, time frame 10 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and choose MACD Keltner Channel. If you trade on your phone, configure the same way. Let's customize Keltner Channel. Set multiplier to 2. Go to the style, make background gray color. Make the top line turquoise color. The middle line is yellow color, and the bottom line is turquoise color. Save. Adjust MACD, signal period set 5. Fast period 10. Slow period 20. Switch to style. Disable histogram. Make the MACD line turquoise color width 2. Make the signal line white width 2. Save. Indicators are ready to work. Friend, if you have any questions after watching the video, then be sure to write to me in private messages in the Telegram, and I will help you. I see the first situation. Set the expiry time to 1 minute. Make a buy trade for $50. Now I will tell you how to use this strategy for confident trading. Pay attention. The turquoise line of the MACD indicator has crossed the white line from bottom to top. This is the first and important signal indicating a change of direction. Such a moment indicates the transition from decline to growth and serves as confirmation of the beginning of the uptrend. The next signal comes from the Keltner Channel indicator. The candlesticks first touched the lower boundary of the channel and then broke through the middle line from below upwards. This is the entry point. Touching the lower boundary does not mean a signal, but when the price confidently overcomes the middle line, it is a strong confirmation that the market is ready to move up. Only after that, you can make a trade following the rules of the strategy. Great. The first trade closes in the plus. I made $46. Let's move on to the next situation. You'd enjoy my 2 wrong using the link in the description and write to me. I want your signals. I will give you free access to a private chat that has my strategists, like signals, answers to many questions, and personal communication with me. It's free, my friends. Link only in the video description. So right now, and then continue watching the video. Expiration time is 1 minute. I open a sell trade for $90. The chart demonstrates a confident downward movement, confirmed by technical indicators. The candlesticks cross the middle line of the Keltner Channel indicator from top to bottom, which indicates the strengthening of the downward impulse. At the same time, the turquoise MACD line crossed the white line in the same direction, which serves as an additional confirmation of the current trend. At the current stage on the chart, there is a consistent appearance of pronounced downward candles, which indicates a noticeable increase in the pressure from the sellers. This structure of price movement indicates that the initiative has confidently passed to the participants, oriented on the decline. Indicators also confirm this. They synchronously signal the prevalence of the downward trend. Taking into account the aggregate of these factors, it is possible to assume that the market keeps high potential for further decrease. This creates objective conditions for considering the trade downward, with strict compliance with the rules of the strategy. Great, I'm making a profit. My balance on the broker pocket option becomes more by $82. I continue trading. I have a signal. Set the expiry time to 1 minute. Open a sell trade for $150. I see a good move on the chart. And both indicators have fulfilled their conditions. The chart clearly shows a confident exit from the sideways movement with a breakdown of the lower boundary, which is a confirmation of the development of the downtrend. The period of prolonged sideways movement allowed the market to accumulate significant momentum, which at the moment is beginning to be realized through a steady decline in price. Such dynamics speaks about the formed initiative on the part of sellers and strengthens the probability of continuation of the current movement and getting profit. Friend, if after watching the video you still have questions, be sure to write me in private messages in Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. Yes. All right. I made $138. Let's move on. Good signal. Expiry time is set at 1 minute. I open a buy trade for $300. All indicator conditions are met, and the chart looks great. I think I will make a profit. Analysis of the current market situation shows signs of change of direction. After a noticeable weakening of the pressure from the sellers, we can observe a gradual recovery of activity on the part of buyers. The chart shows a stable upward structure. Pullbacks are becoming less and less significant, and upward impulses are getting stronger. In addition, important technical levels are starting to break upwards, which further confirms the development of the uptrend. This configuration indicates a strengthening of buying interest and creates reasonable expectations of continued growth in the near term. Yes, I easily made $276. My balance already equals $592. Let's summarize the results. Great trading session. I managed to increase my balance from $50 to $592. The strategy worked perfectly again. If you have any questions or want to discuss details, don't hesitate to write me in private messages in Telegram. I'm always in touch and will be happy to help you understand so that your trading will bring stable results too. Thanks for watching, for subscribing to the channel and liking the video.